Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to GDGA Guitar Academy, your ultimate destination to master the guitar with clarity, structure, and a thriving community. Are you tired of endless YouTube videos that leave you confused? Feeling stuck, like you're practicing but not really progressing? Then this is the place for you. At GDGA Guitar Academy, we've created a system that actually works. Step-by-step lessons designed to help you understand the fretboard, connect chords and scales, and play with confidence. No fluff, no confusion, just real, measurable progress. But it's not just a course, it's a full school community. Learn alongside other motivated guitar players, share your wins, ask questions, post clips, get feedback. You're never alone. You're part of a group that moves forward together. That's where accountability and momentum happen. Inside GDGA Guitar Academy, you'll discover how to truly master the fretboard, how chords, scales, and theory actually connect, how to play confidently without hesitation, how to develop your own sound and musical voice. Whether you're a complete beginner or stuck at an intermediate level, our system meets you right where you are. And here's the best part. The first 50 students get full access to GDGA Guitar Academy absolutely free. That's right, no credit card, no catch. Just join, start learning, and grow with us. Once these 50 spots are gone, enrollment closes. So, are you ready to stop guessing and start playing with purpose? Click the link now, join GDGA Guitar Academy, and step into our school community today. Let's move forward together.